Hello friends, this is Sukhmani from Sukhmani Immigration Services, Brampton, Canada. Today very excited because today I have something very important to share with you. This is partially personal but also very much related to immigration. So what is this news? What are the details? I'll share everything with you, but before that, a small request. If you are new to the channel and have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. We talk a lot about Canadian immigration news, update, tips, tricks on this channel. If you like the video, please share it with your family and friends so that they can also benefit. Please press bell icon so this video comes to you immediately when we upload. Please remember, this channel is dedicated to Canadian immigration and visa. So if you have anything to deal with it, this is the channel you need to subscribe on to. So without further delay, let's move on to a very important topic which is partially about me. And what is that topic? So with the blessing of God, Vaheguruji, and support from my family and love and good wishes from my subscribers and my clients, and I am able to clear IRB exam. So IRB exam makes the changes in my designation. Now my designation will be RCIC IRB. You will see what is the difference. Now the difference is, it is called a L3 level 3 unrestricted practice license. And after passing IRB exam, my designation, as I already said, will be RCIC IRB. What is the difference between the normal RCIC and IRB? I'll come to that. But before that, let me tell you a very important rule. From July 1st, 2023, Government of Canada has changed the rules, and RCIC IRB designation is important to practice in a lot of areas. A normal RCIC cannot practice in number of areas. So there is a huge difference between a RCIC and RCIC IRB. So now you will say, what is that? You can help us with. RCIC IRB helped me to practice in what is called as IRB. IRB is Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada. It is a tribunal, and let us put, some people may not be able to understand the tribunal, but tribunal is like a specialized court. The judge here is not called judge, it is called, he or she is called member. So here we are talking about a biggest tribunal. This is Canada's biggest tribunal and handle thousands and thousands and thousands of cases. This tribunal is basically comprised of 4 divisions. So we'll talk about all the 4 divisions. What are the different types of cases where we can help you with all these 4 divisions. It is not just refugee. So other than refugee, it deals with lot of immigration cases, and we'll talk about those cases. So the IRB, basically, as I said, is made up of 4 divisions, and these 4 divisions are Immigration Division, ID, which is called. The other one is Immigration Appeal Division, IAD, and the third one is Refugee Protection Division, and this is called RPD. The fourth and the last division is called RAD, and this is Refugee Appeal Division. So these are the 4 broad divisions within IRB, Immigration Refugee Board of Canada. These are the 4 divisions. Now, how can we help you? So, you know what? After July 1st, I have stopped taking any cases related to refugee or appeals. And I was getting like so much pressure. No, we want to get the case from you. You deal with our case. But unfortunately, due to the changes in the law, I was not able to deal with it. But with your love, your support, and the trust you have in us, I have cleared this latest exam, and now we can help you with lot of more things. Not just the normal immigration stuff. We can legally help you in lot of other things, and this is, let us first talk about Immigration Division. So Immigration Division, one of the major problem is admissibility issue. So what happens, you know, foreign nationals who do not belong to Canada, or the persons who are the permanent residents, Foreign nationals could be a student, could be a worker, could be a temporary resident, any kind of person, or just a visitor. Foreign national or a permanent resident who has got the PR card of Canada but has not got the citizenship of Canada yet. So they could be inadmissible. Inadmissible means they will be asked to leave Canada, and whatever the reasons, there could be number of reasons behind the inadmissibility, but when they are treated inadmissible, then we can deal with that inadmissibility and go with you to the admissibility hearing and help you get back to the admissibility. So that is one thing where we can help you in admissibility for foreign nationals as well as for the permanent residents. The second thing is detention hearing. So detention, if CBSA official or anybody finds that you have you are danger or threat, then they can keep you in the holding center, in the detention centers, and there you are, there is a hearing and we can help you get out of that detention center. So detention hearing is where we can help you with, and we can help you with the departure orders, deportation orders, exclusion orders. So there are a number of things. I'm just highlighting only few of them. So this is about the Immigration Division. Immigration Appeal Division, which is a division which is higher than Immigration Division. Immigration Appeal Division, now what happens is, many times, this is not just once, many times I've seen cases, people, they go to the fake agents, or, either sometimes do it themselves, which is, and the result is the spousal, particularly spousal, I'm touching the important component, which is spousal sponsorship, right? You got married back home in India, Pakistan, Dubai, or wherever you got married, and then you sponsored your spouse, but your application got failed and got rejected. Just because either you have done a DIY application, you have done do it yourself, or you hired a fake agent who doesn't know anything. And the result is that your application got failed, and now your spouse is strangled and it is there in India or Pakistan or wherever in your home country and trying to come to Canada. So there we can help you with the spousal cases, we can help you with the failed parent applications for the sponsorship, removal orders. You have been, due to misrepresentation, you have been provided with a 5-year removal ban. So that also we can help you with the removal orders due to criminal cases. And these criminal cases are very common. Sometimes people are not even aware of it. I have made, in my previous videos, you can see, drink and drive is a common phenomena. Sometimes people don't know that this is a serious criminality. So removal orders due to the criminal cases, residency obligation appeals. So residency obligation, if you are here in Canada, you need to spend certain time here in Canada. If you don't spend that time, you will not be entitled for renewal of your PR card or entitled for your citizenship. So that is why residency obligation appeals are also, they come into the picture, because whatever the reasons, people are not able to spend the desired time and then they are asked to leave Canada. So we can help you with the residency obligation appeals also. This is called Immigration Appeal Division. Now moving on to a very favorite, this is my favorite topic, because from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, these are the 4 countries I am talking about. There is a major influx of what is called as refugee. So whatever the reasons, the bad conditions or whatever the reasons, but refugee, lot of people from these countries file refugee, asylum or whatever you can call that. So RPD, Refugee Protection Division, is the first division which hears your refugee claims made in Canada, and we can help you with that. Refugee claims or protected persons, right? You have any kind of fear of persecution, we can help you with filing a refugee claim under the protected person category. So this is RPD. RPD only has 2 decisions. Either your claim is accepted or rejected. So if you are accepted, you will be provided with the PR card. But if it is rejected, then we move on to another division which is called Refugee Appeal Division. Now, important thing, let me tell you, if your refugee claim is rejected and you have the right to appeal, only then we can go with the Refugee Appeal Division. And Refugee Appeal Division, you can appeal for your case, provide the new evidence and get yourself refugee status. So this we can help you with. And as I already said, if you look at graphically, so RPD deals with your refugee claim, and if your claim is accepted, you will be granted PR. If rejected, and if appeal is possible, the important word is if appeal is possible, then we can appeal you for Refugee Appeal Division. We can provide the desired evidence with the help of you and help you set aside the RPD decision and get you the refugee status. So this is about RAD. If RAD also rejects your decision, then you have only one hope, which is going to the federal court. So this is quick about the IRB, Immigration Refugee Board, which I have recently passed the exam. So I am now able to take up all these cases. And one thing I always say, each case is different, each situation is different, each individual is different. You need to discuss your case, more than welcome. You can book an appointment with us. Our office is located in Brampton. Address, email ID, phone number, everything is shared right here with you. Very important. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing. Our team puts lots of effort to get all this information to you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thanks.